Hey there, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. Today I want to bring to you the great Micro Cube amp. What is the best portable amp in my opinion? When I first saw it in the store, well, first I heard it in the store, and then when I walked over to it and saw the size and its potential, I just knew I had to have it. So today I want to go over some of the features of it. Coming up. Today I just want to go over a couple of features and let you hear how it sounds, but if you want all the details on it, go over to the recommended gear page at YourGuitarGuide.com. First off, this amp is very portable. This amp weighs in at 5 pounds. It has a 3-watt speaker in it. And another thing that makes it great for portability is you can put 6 AA batteries in it. Right here, and you don't hear any difference between with the batteries in it or the adapter that comes with it. And so what makes it really great is just put 6 AA batteries in there, and if you're like me, I love to go camping, so I can be out there with my amp and 6 batteries, my guitar, and I'm good to go. I can be in a remote location with no electricity and still jam out. It says the batteries will last 20 hours, but should probably last longer than that because it's not like you're going to be playing 20 hours straight. I'm going to show you what it sounds like using just the batteries. You're going to be amazed. I'll show you all the knobs and everything on it, but see how sturdy, I mean it's for portability. The strap, it's sturdy, you're not going to break it. Comes with these grommets right here, just like you would find on the end of your guitar to hold the strap in place. Micro Cube has proprietary technology from Roland, which is a leader in amps, and it's called COSM. There's too much to talk about to put it in the video, but if you want to know exactly what COSM is, you can check it out in the recommended gear page at YourGuitarGuide.com. Let me go over all the knobs and what you get. Here are some of the bells and whistles. Right here it's got a built-in tuner, and of course it's got all the tones and volume controls. But this amp has a lot more. It has that COSM technology. The additional knobs that you get with it is a flanger, a phaser, chorus, tremolo, a delay, reverb, and of course you've got the gains knob. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you it all in action so let you hear what it sounds like. It's with 8 different modeling amps, so you can be playing clean jazz music, classic rock, you name it, it's all right in here. Just with the turn of a knob. So to get all the details of this amp, go to the recommended gear page over at YourGuitarGuide.com. Now that I've told you all about it, let's hear what it sounds like. Try a little rock and roll. can see, this amp has a lot of effects to it, and that's not even including, I didn't use the flanger or anything like that. It also has, in the same 1/4-inch jack, you can turn the knob over to microphone and stick a microphone right there where you would plug in your guitar. And if you just want to do some singing, you're good to go. Go over to the recommended gear at YourGuitarGuide.com for the best portable amp. Check out all the details. And the best thing about it is the price. It's not going to kill you to get it. It's great. Thanks for staying tuned, and catch you next time. Thanks.